Following segment is sponsored by Dawn Professional.
We all know the restaurant industry can be stressful, and one of the toughest, most timely jobs is washing the dishes. Small business owners Iaconetti and Jared Haibon are joining us now to tell us all about a new launch from P&G Professional to help small business owners work smarter, not harder. Both of you, welcome to the show. Can you tell us a little bit more about this new launch and how it helps you as small business owners?
So we own Audrey's Coffee House and Lounge in South Kingston, Rhode Island. And before we took on this venture, which is something that he felt really passionate about, yes, I was not very familiar with the restaurant industry. I did not know it was going to be such a grind. And I look at him all the time and he's back there, he's cooking, he's cleaning, he's just always hustling. I'm like, babe, is there anything that you can do to like maybe work smarter, not harder?
Yeah, I mean, I knew I was going to be the owner and operator of this place. And one of the products that I use that does enable me to work smarter, not harder, is the Dawn Professional Manual Pot and Pan Detergent. Yeah. And so we use Dawn here at the house. The Dawn Professional is different. I use it at the three-bay sink at Audrey's, which is my home away from home because I'm always washing dishes. If anybody is a restaurant owner or works in the restaurant, they understand the task at hand when scrubbing pot and pans. But the great thing about Dawn Professional, it gives a superior clean. It's more efficient. I don't have to change over the sink as much. And it's just overall a great product that I'm lucky to be able to use in the kitchen at Audrey's.
Yeah. I usually am not able to wash dishes at Audrey's. He thinks that I like get in the way back there because I don't know I honestly like don't usually know what I'm doing. But he showed me this Dawn Professional last week and I was just amazed by how this stuff gets that commercial grease and grime off these pans that he makes spinach and artichoke dip and buffalo dip on, and it just slides off the pots and pans.
Yeah, I mean, it gets filthy back there sometimes. So Dawn Professional has helped me keep a clean establishment, which of course is very important to me, important to any business owner. And so I've been lucky to be able to use the product, and it's super easy to use. It saves me time. She likes me saving time.
He comes home earlier now.
I know, which is very nice. The efficiency of it is fantastic because I spend so much time at Audrey's that it's not that I don't want to spend more time there, but the truth is I don't want to spend more time there. So anything that can save me time so I can be home more is a wonderful product in my eyes. And Dawn Professional has allowed me to do that.
We both love it.